Remember when summer as a kid felt like it lasted forever? Now a year disappears in what feels like weeks. This isn't your imagination. Time genuinely speeds up as you age. Here's the neuroscience behind why. Welcome to Body-Brain Decode, where we decode the hidden secrets of your mind and body. Time doesn't actually move faster, but your brain's perception of time changes dramatically with age. What felt like an endless summer at age 10 feels like a blink at age 40. The primary reason is novelty. As a child, almost everything you experience is new. Your brain is constantly processing fresh information, creating detailed memories of each day. New experiences force your brain to pay attention. When you're learning to ride a bike, tie your shoes, or navigate school for the first time, your brain is fully engaged, processing every detail. This creates dense, rich memories. When you look back on childhood, those detailed memories make time feel like it moved slowly because so much information was encoded. As an adult, most of your days follow predictable routines. Same commute, same job tasks, same evening routine. Your brain stops paying attention because nothing is new. When experiences are repetitive and familiar, your brain goes into autopilot mode. It stops creating detailed memories because it doesn't need to. You've done this 1,000 times before. This is why entire weeks can vanish from your memory. Your brain compressed them into a single file labeled normal week because nothing distinct happened worth encoding separately. When you look back on a year filled with routine, there are fewer memory markers. Fewer memories make that year feel shorter in retrospect because your brain has less data to recall. This is called the holiday paradox. A week-long vacation with new experiences feels long while you're in it because your brain is processing everything. But it feels short in memory because it's compressed. Meanwhile, a routine week at work feels short while happening because you're on autopilot. But it feels even shorter in retrospect because your brain barely encoded anything worth remembering. The second factor is proportional time. When you're 10 years old, 1 year is 10% of your entire life. That's a massive chunk of your existence. When you're 50 years old, 1 year is only 2% of your life. Proportionally, each year becomes a smaller fraction of your total lived experience. Your brain measures time relative to how much you've already lived. This makes each passing year feel shorter compared to your growing lifetime, a mathematical effect you can't avoid. The third reason is biological. Your brain's processing speed actually slows down with age. Children process information faster, which makes time feel slower because more is happening per second. As your brain's processing speed decreases, fewer mental images are processed per unit of time. This makes external time feel like it's moving faster because you're capturing less of it. Think of it like frame rate in a video. Children experience life at 60 frames per second. Adults experience it at 30 frames per second. The same time passes, but fewer frames make it feel faster. But here's the good news. You can slow time back down. The solution is deliberately injecting novelty into your routine. Do things differently. Take a new route to work. Try a new restaurant. Learn a new skill. Travel to unfamiliar places. Your brain will start paying attention again and creating rich, distinct memories. When you challenge your brain with new experiences, you force it out of autopilot mode. This creates detailed memory encoding that makes time feel slower when you look back. The key is breaking routine consistently. Small novel experiences throughout your week add up to create a year that feels full and long in memory instead of vanishing in a blur. Your perception of time is entirely controllable. The more new experiences you create, the slower time will feel, both in the moment and when you look back on your life. If this explained why your years are flying by, hit subscribe for more brain science that helps you actually live longer by slowing down your perception of time.